Every time that I decide to use my kitchen scale to weigh a drone, some of you say in the comments, is this weight really calibrated and can we trust the result? Combined with that, I've seen rumors on the interweb, people complaining about the Autel Nano Plus being too close to the 250 gram limit and might even exceed it if you pop in an SD card. In case you don't know that product, I released 2 videos, a first look where I'm looking into what you're getting with the bundle, as well as a first flight video where I took it out for a spin. Rumors are starting to surface that the drone is too close to the 250 gram limit and even in some cases exceed it if you pop in an SD card. So of course I decided to investigate that, and I found a scale that's a much better quality than the one that I'm using in the kitchen, with 0.2 grams of precision, and weighed the drone. The weight we'll be using today is from Kern, and it's designed to weigh up to maximum 15 kilos, and it has a precision or an interval of 0.2 gram, which should be perfectly fine for our purpose. For the fun of it, I decided to weigh the full premium bundle packed with everything inside. And as you can see, this comes in around 1.55 kilograms. The remote by itself feels pretty heavy, and that's confirmed with the weight of over 400 grams. So my sample of the Autel Nano Plus comes in at 247.4 grams without the SD card. Adding the SD card bumps up the weight to 247.8 grams. But taking uncertainties into account, it's safe to say that the SD card will not add more than 0.5 grams to the total weight of the drone. So as you can see, at least my sample is below the 250 gram limits, where it needs to be able to fly in the A1 airspace in the open category, where you're allowed to fly inside urban areas above people but not over groups. This will be interesting to see if this will be the case once we see the first ND filters arrive for this drone. But the ones I have for the Mini 2, they are all less than 1 gram, so that shouldn't pose an issue. Are you interested in knowing more about the Autel Nano? Then I've compiled a playlist with all the videos that I've made around this drone, and you'll be able to access this through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.